Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys Cricut's Premium Vinyl Holographic Rose Bubbles. So look at how cool this is. Let me show you this in here. It's this really pretty holographic roses. It's super pretty. So they have several colors available. Today we're going to be using Huckleberry and Whispering Blue. So these are the same colors we used in the thread, but in the rose bubbles. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we're going to start with the Huckleberry. All right. Let's go ahead and open that up and check it out. Look at how cool that is. Super, super pretty. What I want to do today is doing something solid, like a silhouette. So what I want to do is I'm going to do our state of Arkansas. You could do the state of Texas, Florida, California, whatever it is. And all you need to do is go into images, type in your state, and Cricut has them all there for you for free if you're an Access member. All right. So what I need to do is cut these down to 4.5 by 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly. Huckleberry, you know, whatever it is. All right, now like I said, there's several colors available, but these are the ones we're gonna do today. So we need 4.5 by 10, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do 4.5. The way that I roll these up to put them back in their tubes, I just stick my fingers inside and twist these up just like so. All right, then I hold it tight, get it all the way down in there, and then let go. And then this will pop right back on top. All right, so that's how I do that. All right, so now we need to cut this by 10. There we go. Now let's get the next color. So this one is the Whispering Blue. All right. So to pull it out, once again, I twist it like this to get it out. And this is what that Whispering Blue looks like. Isn't it pretty? So like I said, these are really cool to use. You could use them with anything, really. But it's going to be really neat to use with silhouette items. So, like a steak, for example. I'm going to go ahead and trim that 4.5 by 10. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this up again. Like I said, you're just going to twist it up. Hold on to it the entire way down, then let go. Pop that lid on. All right. Now what I've done in Cricut Design Space is I have 2 states at the top, 2 at the bottom. Doesn't matter, they're going to be the same thing, so it doesn't matter where my color goes. So I'm going to go ahead and get 1 here. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and get 1 on the bottom. All right. So now we're ready to get this loaded. In Cricut Design Space, I'm going to choose Premium Vinyl Holographic Rose Bubbles. All I did was type in hollow, H-O-L-O, and it's the last one. Holographic Rose Bubbles. She's ready to go. I'm going to hit go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and unload it. I'm going to take our designs off the mat really quick so you guys can see what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers since I don't have any small pieces, and then just weed out the outside layer here. So here is that Huckleberry. Look at how cool those look. Isn't that really neat? So it gives you that rose design. It is super, super pretty. I love it. All right, let me go ahead and show you the next one. Here is that Whispering Blue. Super pretty. I'll put those side by side so you guys can see how those work. It's going to work just the same as any holographic, but make sure you're choosing the right ones. Like I said, I chose the holographic rose bubbles, and it cuts perfect every single time. And this was using the Cricut Explore Air 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.